Hi, Soha.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Good to be seeing you.
I know it's good to be seen by anyone except for the people that I'm living with over the past 40 days.
That's so true. Well, I know that we all have woken up today to a very sinking feeling. I hope
Yes.
you are bracing up with that.
Yes, it was very tragic to hear the about the loss of Irfan, who is, of course, someone who is an incredible actor, and the whole industry is going to miss him. But also someone that I was fortunate to have worked with in yeah, three films actually,
Three
from a
films.
very long time ago when we did a film called Dil Kabaddi, which was a comedy, and then more recently to Sai Bibi Gangster Returns. So someone
Yes.
that I've known personally, and you know, it's very sad.
Yeah, it's very hurting, and I do believe अगर सही मायने में माना जाए तो he's a ratna. I mean, he was a ratna as an actor, as a human, and I do pray that his soul rests in peace and more power to all of us.
जी
And
बिल्कुल.
on that note, I would like to welcome you and welcome all our viewers who have joined us live on Instagram as well as on Facebook for the Sun Feast Mom's Magic Power to You series. So, you know that these moms, you are a mom yourself, moms keep us cheerful and safe no matter how challenging are the times, right? And today we are, through this series, we are actually urging all the moms to stay strong because the world needs their magic more than ever. And
Absolutely.
through you, today we would be helping all those moms in child rearing, in other words, parenting for that matter.
जी.
And you are an actor, you are an author, you are a celebrity storyteller. You are such a rich scholar. Well, in my words, I would call you an experientially beautiful mom. So, everybody, please welcome Soha Ali Khan, please, with happy emojis and, of course, all those claps emojis. So
I
good to be
actually
with you.
haven't. I have to tell you that I've never really done an Insta Live before. So it's really exciting for me also to be a
Really?
part of something like this. And of course, whenever it is related to parenting and being a mother,
Yeah.
I feel like that is something that I can't say no to, because I understand, especially for young parents out there, or like me, who has, people who have only just one child, so we're new to everything. Every day and every month is a new experience for us, and certainly what is happening right now in the world is unprecedented. So,
Completely.
for parents out there who are going through what I'm going through, I really want to connect with them, especially the mothers, because I understand that as it is challenging to be a mother and a
Mhm.
first time mother. But in an unprecedented situation like this, ऐसा कभी पहले हुआ नहीं है. तो
Right.
इन these times to be a mother, और जो सारे challenges है, जब आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं, बाहर से सामान भी नहीं आ रहा है, लोग नहीं आ रहे हैं, फैमिली
True.
से मुलाकात नहीं हो पा रही है,
Right.
डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी है, लेकिन आप कोशिश कर रहे हैं अपने बच्चों को उससे मतलब दूर रखें जितना आप रख पा रहे हैं, but
Right.
some kind of digital time that you are experimenting with. So all these things are very new for all of us.
True, true, true. That's so true. I recently saw you uploading an adorable picture on Instagram. I remember it was being captioned as "It's just a matter of time," and the picture had, of course, Kunal, your husband, and Inaya, your daughter. They were
जी.
peeling mutter. So, how's
जी.
the mom's magic comforting the family right now?
Actually, I think Inaya was peeling more butter than Kunal. He was just pretending to peel
Right.
butter. But she actually,
Okay.
at this stage, especially बच्चों के साथ, पता नहीं सिर्फ मैंने ये नोटिस किया है या आप लोगों ने भी नोटिस किया है, उनको अभी इस उम्र में फर्क नहीं पता है कि what is play and what is work. उनको आप एक एक्टिविटी दे कुछ करने के लिए, तो they will do it in the same with the same focus, or not do it at all. So,
Right.
for example, whether it's washing plates, whether it's cleaning up, whether it's making a bed, whether it's putting away toys, whether it's chiloing mutton, or simple things जो बच्चे भी
Correct.
कर सकते हैं, it's nice to involve them, because it's also sharing activities and they learn things like responsibility छोटी उम्र से,
Mm-hmm.
and also it's just, I think, a good value to inculcate in children, and also it helps to get things done, and also it's fun for them. They actually enjoy
Good.
it. तो ऐसा
Yeah.
नहीं कि इनाया ने सारे मटर छीले उस दिन. That was not, but it's
Yeah.
just something that you do with them,
True.
with so many other things that you have to do through the day. And also ऐसा नहीं कि आप पूरा फोकस बच्चे के ऊपर डाले, because there are other things as a mother that you have to do. You are still a wife at the end of the day. You cannot neglect your husband, and your husband is your second child, in my case, because I have one child. If you have two children, your husband is your third child, so you have to look after them also. You have to manage the house, and कुछ चीजें मैं नहीं करती थी पहले, लेकिन अभी हम short staff भी हैं. हमारे जो स्टाफ बाहर से या दूर से आते थे, they are not coming to the house, so I'm not the most domesticated person, लेकिन अभी मैं भी सीख रही हूँ कुछ household chores करना. अभी तक मैंने cooking नहीं किया है, but Kunal is experimenting in that field, and he's actually learned how to cook lots of things. So becoming a teacher also, क्योंकि पहले स्कूल होता था और मैं स्कूल जाती थी, even though she's only 2.5, फिर भी toddlers day एक स्कूल है यहाँ पे बैंड्रा में जहाँ पे वो जाती थी every weekday 3 घंटे के लिए, from 9 to 12, which was so much time that I had to myself to do things. और अभी मुझे टीचर भी बनना पड़ रहा है, so you know I do virtual school with her every morning. There's a lot to do.
Yeah, as a child I remember कि हर दिन हम माँ से जिद करते थे कि घूमी करने जाना है, literally हर दिन. And I know you take an eye for a lot of like you know those play meets and all of that. अभी बिल्कुल भी बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे हैं. I'm sure अगर आप भी बोर हो रहे हो, but if she's feeling bored at the same time, I mean, how are you managing it all?
I'm to say कि boredom तो हमारी last problem है. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत तकलीफ में हैं अभी. But absolutely the idea is not to compare कि हमारे problems क्या है, आपके क्या problems है, आपको, because lots of people are also doing that. They're saying, and the idea is, you know, to be positive of course right now, and to understand कि हम बहुत ही fortunate हैं कि हम सिर्फ boredom के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. But the idea is also to appreciate and understand that this is also a psychological problem for a lot of people who are stuck in some kind of routine. They're looking for some kind of channel for their frustration. People are fighting a lot more. Children are getting hurt a lot more घर पे, क्योंकि बाहर नहीं जा रहे खेलने के लिए. So there's so many children with little bruises and injuries क्योंकि घर में छोटे-छोटे घर में भाग रहे हैं, खेल रहे हैं, which is also not the most safe thing. So you know, given all of those things, it's very important to try and create an atmosphere that is positive. And also, as I said, you can't go outside. There's lots of things like हमारे पास तो garden भी नहीं है. You know, she hasn't stepped foot in grass or touched mud or soil for more than 40 days. So those are things that I miss. Some of you may have access to, you know, greenery, enjoy that open space. हमारे पास एक terrace है.
Those are lucky moms. Yeah.
So 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, she goes up to the terrace. और हमारी बिल्डिंग में भी एक सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का एक रूल है, तो जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनको एक मौका मिलता है ऊपर जाने के लिए, सिर्फ 4 बच्चे, and they play there. So you know we're also fortunate, but it's very difficult not to go out of the house, क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा play dates, पार्क में घूमना, the places like Hop and Bob जहाँ पे वो जाती थी खेलने के लिए, और 30 दिन के लिए she actually said nothing. But पिछले 2-3 दिन से वो पूछ रही है कि मुझे, she said कि remember हम वहाँ पे जाते थे, हम वहाँ पे जाते थे, हम वहाँ पे जाते थे.
He's recounting those.
And outside her room there's a hoarding with a fist that says stay home, stay safe. So I've told her कि जब तक ये picture और those hoardings keep changing. At some point it was Ranveer Singh, at some point it was some chocolate bar, maybe it was Mum's Magic at some point, you know, or Sun Feast, I don't know. But you know, there was at the moment for a long time it's been this fist. So she understands कि तब तक घर पे ही रहना होगा.
तो उसने से क्यों ले लिया है कि अभी घर पे रहना है.
जी.
And you're managing it through different kind of activities as part of parenting.
Yes.
So that's the learning for the moms out there, that this is how you can maintain that vibe of positivity. And I would say, of course, a lot of people have joined us. Your fans have joined us, Soha. They are all saying hello to you. They are welcoming you.
Yes, I can see there's lots of people.
Yes.
And people are saying,
says you are a great inspiration, hands down.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you to say. And you know, I really feel that this is a time for us to meet like this. You know, the idea is to stay connected, and I'm so happy कि हमारे ज़माने में भी social media है, जो एक avenue है जिससे professionally, personally हम लोग अभी भी connect कर पा रहे हैं और share कर पा रहे हैं. And I think when you share and you connect, जो अपने बोझ होते हैं, अपने responsibilities होते हैं, अपने worries, concerns होते हैं, if you share them with people, then you understand कि you're not alone.
You're not alone. And we are all in it together.
And so we're all, honestly, we are all in it together. And it really doesn't matter. As I said, of course, some people are suffering more than others in terms of actual, you know, material, things that they don't have access to, salaries, people who are daily wage laborers. You can't compare our suffering to things like that. But there are certainly days where, I feel weak, I feel challenged, I feel like I don't know where this is going to end. And I, feel also trapped because I feel like every day is a routine. मैं सुबह उठ के same चीजें कर रही हूँ, same time पे. और ऐसे दिन निकल रहे हैं और पता भी नहीं चल रहा है कभी कि 40 दिन निकल गए हैं, जिंदगी निकल रही है. मैं सोच रही हूँ that like you're just getting old sitting at home. But the idea is to know कि this will end, and it is a matter of time at the end of the day, and to abide by the lockdown, because the whole point of the lockdown is कि लोग घर पे रहें ताकि situation control में आए, and hopefully soon.
And soon, yeah. We appreciate your gesture for coming on board with us, Soha. So that's very sweet of you, and very warm-hearted of you. So I would say that it's a beautiful thing. I think that a child never expects his or her parent to be perfect. But as a parent and as part of parenting, do you feel that pressure of walking on that tightrope, balancing the parenting part and being a working mom?
I think that I do, but लेकिन जो सारा मेरा जो working mom का guilt था वो थोड़ा अभी कम हो गया है क्योंकि मैं 100% अभी घर पे हूँ. और जब हम बाहर जाते थे काम करने के लिए तो it was easy क्योंकि एक division होता था. बाहर मैं काम करती थी, घर पे मैं मॉम होती थी. अभी घर पे भी काम करना पड़ रहा है और माँ बनना पड़ रहा है, और मदर टू अ 2-year-old जिसको समझ में नहीं आता है कि अभी मुझे काम करना है आपके बगैर, तो अभी वो दरवाजा भी खोल सकती है. So there's really no escape. So you have to depend on, जैसे अभी वो कुणाल के साथ है, and he will keep her engaged. लेकिन without Kunal it's not like कि अगर हम लोग घर पे हैं तो she wants me all the time, she depends on me. और अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा वो अकेले खेल रही है, लेकिन फिर भी वो कहेगी कि mama come and play with me, mama come and do this with me, mama you feed me, you make me sleep. So of course I enjoy that, but there is a lot of pressure क्योंकि बाकी भी चीज करना, it is important also to do other things. और कुछ सोशल मीडिया एंगेजमेंट्स हैं, कुछ ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट्स हैं. उसके लिए पहले हम सिर्फ कैमरा के सामने बैठते थे, लाइंस याद करते थे और एक्टिंग करते थे, लेकिन अभी हमें खुद मेकअप, खुद बाल, खुद सिनेमाटोग्राफी करना पड़ रहा है, जहाँ पे मैंने यहाँ पे दो कैमरा का सेटअप लगाया है. तो आई एम लर्निंग ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ टेक्निकल स्किल्स, लाइक ऑल्सो डूइंग इंस्टाग्राम लाइव्स, एंड there's a lot to learn, and editing videos. I've learned so many wonderful apps also.
Beautifully, multitasking.
So that is, I mean, as women, I really believe, and to all the mothers there, because this is really dedicated to the magic of mothers, that we are all inherently multitaskers. And, I feel that, we are able to do a number of things. While I'm talking to Inaya, I can also checklist things, and I can make sure that something that I'm cooking is not burning. And generally, we're able to multitask in a way that perhaps men are not able to do. Men can also do lots of things, but they can't do them at the same time.
yeah, that's so cute. Yeah, I think they're more, singly focused. One
single
task
focus,
at a time.
absolutely.
Maybe, yeah. Okay. Nice. And
I actually wanted to share with you some of the things that we've been doing that are, because I know that this is dedicated to mothers, and a lot of people have been entertaining mothers out there on this platform. And some people like Mandira was, she was doing exercise, and, a lot of things have already been covered. And I do yoga as well. But I thought one of the things, because as you said, I do a lot of storytelling now. So I also got some of my books that I love reading with Inaya. And one of our favorites is, for example, this one, which is called Hop and Pop by Dr. Seuss. There's Giraffes Don't Dance. And there's one called The Mixed Up Chameleon that we read now. And what we do is, she also enjoys reading. और किताब पढ़ने के बाद we also do a lot of role playing. So she wants to play a character. So it's not just कि we don't have access to books also now, so it's not like you can buy books, but there's lots of online books, there's lots of apps, there's lots of podcasts that you can listen to. I've also done an audio podcast myself, and a lot of them are free now. And they're free. What a lot of these platforms have done is wonderful, because for parents, because they understand this is a difficult time to entertain children, ये सब अभी फ्री हो गया है. जैसे कि हब हॉपर जो एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे मैंने अपने podcasts किए थे, so those have become free, and there's lots of Indian books as well that I've been reading on those. So you can read those books, you can familiarize yourself, and then फिर आप अपने बच्चे को वो सुना सकते हैं. Or if they're able to read and they're older, they can read the books. And then we do a lot of art and crafts activities around them. So, for example, I have become a teacher. So this is जब स्कूल होता था तो हम पीटीए मीटिंग्स के लिए जाते थे, और हाँ 2 साल के बच्चे के लिए भी पीटीए मीटिंग्स होते हैं, और मुझे बुलाया जाता था और वो हमें ये फोल्डर देते थे कि दिस इज इनाया किमू फ्रॉम टॉडलर्स डेन फोल्डर, और एज अ मदर आई वुड टेक दिस होम। और मैंने ये प्रोजेक्ट किया है जहाँ पे मैं एक फोल्डर बना रही हूँ, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द लॉकडाउन पीरियड मैं जाके स्कूल में ये फोल्डर अपने टीचर को देने वाली हूँ, और मैं बताने वाली हूँ कि ये एज अ फैमिली ये हमने एक फोल्डर बनाया है, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप ये फोल्डर घर ले जाएं। So this is something that we've done, and there's lots of easy things.
So yeah, we would love to see a glimpse of what's exactly inside it. And
so the one thing that I'm really proud of, or ye actually, of course you have to help your child, but this book is called, for example, The Mixed Up Chameleon.
Mom,
and it's about a chameleon.
Everything that she's saying. So I'll just take a second here to request and urge all the moms, to note everything that you're saying, because it's
no,
so
I mean, I don't know if you want to note it or not, but these are, as I said, हम किताबें पढ़ते हैं और उसके बाद there's for example a story called Three Billy Goats, about 3 goats who want to cross the bridge, but there's an ugly troll who lives under the bridge and he wants to eat the goats, but the goats are very clever. So the baby goat goes and says, and the troll stops the baby goat and says, I'm going to eat you. And the baby goat says, don't eat me, eat my bigger brother, the bigger goat, because he's bigger and you won't be full. I'm so small. So wait for my bigger brother and let me go. So the troll lets him go. And then the bigger brother comes and the troll says, I'm going to eat you. And he says, don't eat me. I'm very small. Wait for my big brother to come. And the troll says, okay, and lets him go. And then the biggest Billy Goat Gruff comes over the bridge. And the troll says, I'm going to eat you. But this goat is very big. So he's not scared of the troll, and he actually headbutts him, and the troll falls, and all the 3 goats, of course, eat the grass happily on the other side of the bridge. So then after we read the story, then we made a little mask. So you can actually use paper and paints, and Inaya has actually painted this herself. And of course, it's not the most professional goat mask, but as I said, your children don't expect you to be perfectionists. So this is something that we made. And they can actually then enact. तो ऐसे कभी-कभी इनाया को troll बनना होता है, कभी वो Billy Goat बनना चाहती है, and she says you be the troll. And you can actually, we played it umpteen times. और मैं सोचती हूँ कि वो bore हो चुकी होंगी इस story को लेके, but they are not bored.
But she listens to the same story again and
the same story, and sometimes she changes the story because I think she doesn't like it when there's violence. तो वो नहीं चाहती है कि troll को कोई दुख पहुंचाए. So she's made the troll a vegetarian. तो ये troll goats नहीं खाना चाहता है. He wants to eat pasta. So he lets all the goats go, and he also joins them, and they all eat grass together, and everyone is very happy. So sometimes your children will also change the story, and you have to go with them.
So you also would curate the stories suiting to the sensibilities of the child.
Yes,
so I think
वो भी बहुत जरूरी है, और क्योंकि वो अभी 2 साल के ऊपर है, 2.5 साल की हो चुकी है, so we can also do a little bit of screen time with her. लेकिन मैं और बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं कि मैं थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा कंट्रोलिंग हूँ एज अ मदर. कुछ लोग जो घर पे भी रहते हैं मेरे साथ मुझे ये बताते हैं, बट आई फील कि पता नहीं, मुझे आई वांट टू डू माय बेस्ट, एंड आई हैव ओनली 1 चाइल्ड. आई फील कि I want to do this job really well. तो जो भी मैं इनाया को दिखाती हूँ ऑन स्क्रीन, उससे पहले मैं देखती हूँ. तो आई विल सिट एट एंड आई विल सी कि जैसे एक कहानी है, डिज्नी कहानी फ्रोजन. I don't know if you know of it, but it's a very long film. It's a 1.5 hour film जो बहुत लंबा है for a small child. So I've actually went on YouTube and searched and found a 10-minute version of it. फिर वो 10-minute version मैंने देखा रात के 10 बजे, and Kunal was saying, what are you watching? And I made sure कि उसमें violence नहीं है, कोई scary monsters नहीं है, कुछ डरावना नहीं है, and then I showed it to her the next day. So I think it's very important, as you said, to curate and check, because otherwise they have nightmares. They actually think about it, and then they wake up in the middle of the night thinking about it, and they do get scared.
Correct. So the mom does the homework before.
I think so.
Wow. So yes, you do a lot of fun Zoom storytelling. You've already told about the titles that you narrate to her, maybe. And role playing is such a new thing that we can not just narrate stories to them, but also maybe act with them and take those characters into it.
And especially because I'm not getting an opportunity to act outside of the house. I have to say that Inaya is my favorite co-actor, and she's very spontaneous. And sometimes she changes all the lines, but it keeps me on my toes.
Kids are the best actors. They say that kids are best actors.
They're very spontaneous, and you have to think on your feet because they don't learn their lines, but they make up their own lines. And so you have to think on your feet.
That's sweet. That's amazing. So हाँ, आप इंडिया की सबसे पहली सेलिब्रिटी ऑडियो बुक शोज मतलब आप सबसे ज्यादा करती हैं फॉर किड्स बेसिकली. सो डू यू थिंक कि मॉम्स को जल्दी से अडेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए ये जो नया ट्रेंड आ रहा है पॉडकास्ट का?
I think actually ये podcast करने से पहले I was also not someone who listened to a lot of podcasts, but I've always enjoyed storytelling. और क्योंकि there are lots of times when we do not have the time to read a story to our children, or we want our children to be occupied and engaged, and we are doing something else, and you don't want necessarily to show them a story on screen क्योंकि आप screen time भी limit कर रहे हैं. So that's why I think podcasts are very useful, where you have someone with the right pronunciation, the right grammar, is reading the story in an engaging way, because storytelling is also an art. You know, the child has to feel engaged and stimulated.
Right.
So not everybody reads stories with the same amount, and people are actually shy. I know lots of people who are shy of their children. उनके सामने किताबें पढ़ना या रोल प्लेइंग करना, कुछ लोग ऐसे उनको awkward feel होता है. So the idea is also to not feel awkward with your children, understand that your children love you, they love your voice. So you can also tell them stories. But as I said, अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे, so there are lots of podcasts. The one that I did, as I told you, was on Hubhopper. That is also available for free right now. You can just go to the Hubhopper page and you can see the stories there. And some of them, what I liked about it is that they are Indian stories as well. And one of them I actually had somewhere here. To show you, because I've got a bunch of stories here.
Please.
And this is called The Rumor.
Okay.
And it's here as well.
Okay.
And, I think it's nice to tell your children stories from closer to home. And
Nice.
it's, about a man called Panduram, and he's a grumpy man, and about how rumors and how when you change the story, which a lot of children do also, how it becomes something else in Chinese whispers, and, the story at the end becomes something else. So there's this story. There's another really nice story called Om the Gnome, which is really nice for children because her page pe
looks really interesting.
And it just teaches you about patience. Like you can see this child is losing his patience. But what's nice about it is on every page, there's a ladybug and there's a feather and there's a mouse. And so every time you turn the page, also the child is looking for the ladybird, is looking for the feather, is looking for the mouse. And I thought that was a really innovative way of telling a story and also holding the attention of a child.
Right. But coming back to the podcast, are children receptive to it? Will they really listen to it, sit and
I mean, it does help. It depends on the age of your child also. And it does help अगर आपका बच्चा बहुत ही छोटा हो, जैसे कि इनाया अभी तो 2-2.5 साल की है, तो they may not be able to listen for a long time, more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. और जो मैंने podcast किए थे, they're probably for older children, 10 or so. Where they can actually sit for 10-15 minutes and listen, because visual aids are very important for young children. They want to see expressions, they want to see hand gestures, they want to watch your face when you're telling a story. So maybe not for very young children.
Understood completely. So if I talk about parenting and you got taught from your royal parents, anything from their parenting that you are trying to use it on Inaya, apply.
सब जानते हैं कि I mean, my mother, Sharmila Tagore, she had 3 children, my brother, Saif, and my sister Sabha, myself. But मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ family में. और actually जब भाई पैदा हुए थे, then she was working. She was actually doing a lot of movies, and a lot like Aradhana came out the year after she got married, major blockbusters. So she was actually working a lot and being a mother, which must have been very hard for her. My father, being a professional sportsman, had retired, so he was at home, and we had many memories of जैसे कि अभी जो stereotype है कि माँ घर पे रहती है और पापा ऑफिस जाते हैं, हमारे घर में उल्टा होता था क्योंकि माँ बाहर जाती थी और पापा हमेशा घर पे होते थे. So there was never that feeling कि a working mother is a new thing for us. And my mother used to always say कि wish me 10 on 10. So we used to always support her in her work. ऐसा नहीं था कि और अगर कभी वो कहीं जाती थी शूटिंग के लिए तो और हमारे जन्मदिन होते थे तो it was never like we understood that कभी you have to like that it's okay to have ambition as a mother, it's okay to be away from your children, and it's all right, because बहुत guilt होता है. और मैं जानती हूँ कि that feeling of wanting to be home, before your
Yes.
child goes to sleep, and sometimes you don't make it home and you really feel bad and you feel guilt. But when you're shooting and you're an actor, then sometimes you don't see your children for 2 weeks at a time,
Oh God.
because you're going away, you're going on an outdoor, you can't take them with you also. So that kind of guilt is a lot. And sometimes the children don't understand and they get upset with you also, and that used to also happen. But generally we grew to understand, and it helped that we had our father, of course, at home with us. But what I'm saying is that I'm happy that we grew up in an environment like that, because that's something I want to teach in Aya also. कि
Yeah.
it's not just पापा जो ऑफिस जाते हैं, मैं भी काम करती हूँ. और अभी she understands, जब वो देखती है, क्योंकि I don't normally wear makeup, so when I'm wearing lipstick she says, Mama, you're going for shooting. And sometimes I say, no, I just want to dress up for myself.
Yeah.
And then she also says, okay, because she
Yeah.
knows my makeup stuff now, so she says, okay, when I become big, then Arjun Dadu will do my makeup and Bharti Didi will do my hair. And I said, and फिर इनाया आप shooting पे जाओगे? Then she says, no, मैं घर पे ही रहूंगी. So I said, okay.
So cute.
So,
Their answers,
yeah, they have lots of answers. But I think that's a nice value, to know that you have to share the burden, and that it's okay. Women also go to work and have ambitions, and
Right.
it's good to support those ambitions.
That's a very emphatic thing that you said, Soha. So I have an emphatic, comment from a mother there.
Yeah, I'd love to. I mean, if people have things to ask, or
Yes,
I'm very happy to.
I was occasionally trying to look into the comments, and this one particularly attracted my attention. So, some mom by the name of Tanya, she's asking us, whatever, basically you're talking, it's about, or we are talking, it's about entertaining the kids, giving them attention, for that matter, praising them also, for a job well done. But is it like हम कभी कभी इन बच्चों को बस अकेला छोड़ सकते हैं? Entertain yourself, even if you're crying for 20 minutes, cry for that matter.
Yeah,
तो
absolutely.
वो भी सही practice होगी क्या?
I think कि वो बहुत ही जरूरी है, क्योंकि जब एक बच्चा घर में आता है, वो पूरा attention उस बच्चे पे जाता है, and they become the center of attention. और that is not necessarily the right way. Of course, हम सब उसमें शामिल हो जाते हैं. We are all guilty of that. But then the child can honestly exploit that, and children are very smart. They need to know that you are the boss. Or agar there are lots of times where I have to pretend to be the boss with Inaya, because otherwise my life will be over.
Show that you are strict for
yes,
certain
and to show that you are in control, and to show that it doesn't faze you if they cry or if they are having a tantrum, that you are not going to lose control, because you have to be the adult. If she becomes upset and starts crying and starts to lose control, I still have to be calm, because I have to show her that I'm the adult. And even obviously you have to see कि बच्चा क्यों रो रहा है. If the child is hurt, आप उनको अकेले नहीं छोड़ सकते हो. You have to attend to them. तो ऐसा नहीं कि आप छोटे बच्चे को कमरे में अकेले छोड़ के कहीं और चले जाए, because unless you're completely confident कि आपका पूरा कमरा child proofed है. Then the idea is in a safe place you can leave them. और जो मैं करती हूँ, इनाया को अकेले छोड़ के मैं कमरे में हूँ, लेकिन इनाया को पता है कि at this time I'm doing something. मैं कुछ काम कर रही हूँ लैपटॉप पे, मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ, फोन पे कुछ messages attend कर रही हूँ. तो I'm there to watch her, to make sure she's safe, but she has to entertain herself. And she has books, she has toys that she can play with, and I watch her now. वो अपने आप कहानी बनाती है. She takes her toys out. She has a little tea party. She tells herself stories for 20 minutes. She can entertain herself. You can put out some crayons, some paints. वो painting कर लेगी अपने आप. So even when she's having a tantrum, जो of course बच्चे करते हैं, and especially इस उम्र में, it is very important to let them cry, because also crying is a form of them understanding an emotion. Sometimes it's good to cry, because you need to have that release. And even now when there's so much anxiety and stress, कभी कभी मैं इनाया को रोने देती हूँ, क्योंकि I feel कि रोने के बाद मन हल्का हो जाता है, जो मेरे साथ होता है. Sometimes I just want to cry. So one thing is just to let them cry and let them feel that emotion. ऐसा नहीं कि आप immediately distract कर लो. Distraction भी बहुत जरूरी है कभी कभी, जब बच्चा out of control हो रहा है. फिर आप दिखा दो कि देखो कौआ, देखो ये खिड़की खोल दो, throw some paint at them, do whatever you need to do. But kabhi it's important to let them ride that emotion and understand कि what are they feeling, आप क्यों रो रहे हो, आपको कुछ चाहिए, कुछ हुआ है, and they are really capable of understanding a lot. And then talk to them when they calm down. Ask them, why were you crying? And then she usually tells me, because I wanted you. If she's not with me and she was crying because she wanted me to go to her, and then I have to explain to her that that there are times जब मैं आपके साथ हूँ और कुछ ऐसे moments होते हैं जहाँ पे मुझे अपना काम करना पड़ता है, और आपके लिए हमेशा कोई है जिम्मेदार जो आपका देखभाल करने के लिए वहाँ पे आपके साथ मौजूद है, या it's not like I'm leaving you alone. And these people also love you, and these people also are entitled to some time with you, whether it's Dadi, whether it's Dadu, whether it's Badi Amma, which she calls my mother. You must also engage with them.
True, true. While somebody is asking where's Kunal sir, I'll not delve into it as
hopefully entertaining in air right now while I've been talking to you. Otherwise, I don't know, maybe both of them have gone to sleep somewhere.
Right. So as we are tending towards the wrap up of our session, my most important question to you would be, what's that one mom's magic mantra that you would want to give to all the moms who are watching you right now to stay strong, in these times?
I don't know if there's a magic mantra, but I want to thank the people, of course, who have taken the time out to join this session. And I would not want to ever give advice, but I want to tell you that you're doing a great job, because all mothers, I really feel, are going through something very challenging right now. And I just want to congratulate you without even knowing you and tell you that you're doing a fantastic job. And I hope that you have a good support system at home. So perhaps this is for not the mothers, but for the other people, the fathers, the grandparents, other people who live with you, your staff, etc. It's important to lean on each other right now. Also, don't have very high expectations. Abhi, इस वक्त lockdown period में मुझे लगता है कि this is not the right time to expect things and demand things from your husband, from your child. Let your standards be a little relaxed right now. If your child is not doing their homework, if your husband is not, supporting you and, playing some online game when you want him to look at you and say you're looking very beautiful, or whatever it is that makes you happy, it's all right. Look within. And for me, I do yoga as well, and I workout, exercise is very important, and there are some magic sessions that are, yes, I think very important as a mother to take time for yourself, क्योंकि हम अपने आप को खो देते हैं माँ बनने के जिस route में, and that is that's not fair to yourself. Don't give up your life for your child. It's very important to have your own time, look after your health. Sometimes just wash your hair, blow dry it, put on some eyeliner, wear some nice clothes, feel like a woman, give time to your husband. And some people have their parents living at home. So give time to your mother as well, because you are a mother as well, but you have a mother sometimes. And, think about all the things that they did for you and what you're doing for your children, and appreciate them as well. So, there's lots of things to say, but basically I just want to say, hang in there. This time will end. And I look forward to a time when we'll all be able to meet face to face as opposed to just through a digital medium.
That's so sweet. I'm just going to wrap up, but before that, just a quick question that our viewer has sent. I think he's a dad by the name of Jitendra.
Oh.
He says, what are the apps? Which apps can be downloaded to make children see some engaging, informative content, and for how many hours?
That sounds like a dad question. And he's like, hopefully, is 6 hours too much? I would say actually there are a couple of apps that come to mind, and one that I have downloaded and is paid for is called Kidopia, but you can try it for I think a week or 10 days for free, and then you can see if it works for you. It's called Kidopia. And honestly, we've been using it, and you can do painting online, because kabhi you don't find physical paint. We've run out of arts and crafts. Or sometimes some things you can do digitally that you couldn't do with real art supplies. And also she's really learned how to bake through this app, because you can be a junior chef, and she knows all the ingredients that go into a cake, into a popsicle, into a pizza, into pasta. So virtually she can make all these things. There's also an educational app called Khan Academy that our school recommended for us, the Toddlers Den recommended. And that helps you to learn, things like ABC, 1, 2, 3, educational songs. It's very interactive, so it's not just watching TV, but it keeps the child engaged, where they have to respond, and that they're also learning something, and there are no ads, So it's a very safe environment for a child. But I keep it to 20 minutes first half of the day, 20 minutes second half of the day max, because I
Okay,
feel
great.
it's too stimulating otherwise, and not near bedtime. And also not with lunch and dinner. There should not be some dependence कि आपको app या iPad, laptop, phone की ज़रूरत है when you're doing things like eating food, and there's no replacement for
Yeah.
conversation. Keep
Huh.
talking to your child. Honestly, better than any TV show, they want to see your face and they want you to chat with them and entertain them.
Soha, thank you very much for all the parenting tips and I would say nuances rather, So thank you to you. Soha, you're officially known as Nawabzadi Soha Ali Khan of Patodi and Bhopal. It was I think it was so gratifying to have you on the episode 2 of
Thank
Sunfeast
you.
Mom's Magic. Power to you series.
Thank you.
And on that note, I would say more power to you, Soha. Thank you
and
very
more
much.
power to you, and more power to all the mothers and that one dad out there, or how many other parents are watching, and more power to us. And let's continue to meet like this through a community and support each other through a very difficult time.
Thank you very much. With that, I'm going to be inviting you and everybody watching us to join us at 6 p.m. tomorrow as well on Instagram and Facebook to not just salute all those moms, but also, of course, share with those moms as to how we can keep them strong, because the world needs their magic more than ever. And on that note, thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.
Please take care.
Thank you.